Welcome to the S-CAD domain based learning. This is the Sketcher workbench tutorial part 2. Initially, as usual, we take a body and rename. So let's take a sketch, then we go to the profile hexagon, select this and simply select at the center. We will also rotate this hexagonal shape. So this is the hexagon. Now spline, just select and whatever the curvature you want, you have to move the cursor, and we can exit this command by pressing escape. Also we can control the spline with these points. Then is a point command. So simply first is a single point. Simply we just select the point and put where you want in a Sketcher workbench. Then second is coordinate point, in which we need to give the horizontal and vertical distances. So this is the point. Also we can edit by changing the dimensions. So in this way we got a new position of this point. Then the third type of the point, equidistance point, in which at different intervals we get a point. We can put we want a 3 point at 5 mm distance. They can you select the point and then give the distance. So on a particular line we got the equidistance point. Then this is the second type. The fourth type of point is the offset point. So suppose this is line and there is a point on this line, and we need to offset this point on the line which draw below the line. So here we got the offsetted point. So now is the intersection point. So these two lines intersect. So we just select the intersection point and select these two lines. So at the intersection point. Line normal to the curve. So this is curve and we need to draw the line normal. So simply select this line normal to the curve and we got this perpendicular line to this curve. Then we exit the workbench, Sketcher workbench. Thank you.